Hello, it's Raymond Caesar, and this is the video for week 2 project contacts part 2, and I'm going to take you through it. So I'm going to come here first to VS Code so that I can show you my file setup, and I have my env variables right here, and they're saved locally to my PC, and my gitignore file has been configured so that the env file does not get pushed to GitHub because it has my credentials and for security purposes. Okay, so let me take you through my project. Let's get to render. All right. So we're going to deploy the site again. So the site is live now, and we're going to navigate to it. As you can see here, it shows that the contacts API is running, and to take us to the contacts API, I'm going to, okay, so here we are with our endpoints, and we're going to test each one of the 5 endpoints. So the first one is get all contacts. Let's try it out, execute, and it brings all the contacts in my database, as you can see. So let's get to the next API, the endpoint, sorry. And this one says create a new contact. So we're going to try it out and create another contact. So this is how it's formulated, and first have to create a first name. Let's say Raymond, and last name Caesar. And I'm going to change this last part. So, very good. That is just for testing trivial values. So let's execute, and it will return our new contact right here, and it shows Raymond Caesar and all the information we've put. And even if we go back here up and try again, getting contacts again, we'll get that contact right there. It's right there, the contact that we've created right now. Okay, so let's move on to the next endpoint, and that should be get contact by ID. So let's get an ID and test. Let's get this one that we have just created. Copy it and paste it right here and press execute. So it's going to return the contact that I just created, and I copied its ID. It's that one right here. So it says contact retrieved successfully. All right, so let's test this. Put endpoint. It updates the contact by its ID. All right, so we're going to try updating that contact with that ID, and so this is just an example, but you update the information and it will update the contact ID for the contact for that ID. And let's say this is Raymond's contact ID. So let's try changing the first name from Raymond to John. Let's leave that one to John Johnson. Then John, and leave favorite. Change that to say, and execute. You see that the contact is updated to John Johnson, and the contact has changed. Right, let's try it. Oh, once again, we see whether it updated. Right, so here we see that the contact, which was Raymond, updated itself. Well, no, we updated it to John Johnson, and also everything else in the color, the file color to green, and that has worked successfully also. It is connect updated successfully. So all right, so let's try deleting also a contact by using its ID. Let's try it out. Then it's the ID. Execute. It says contact deleted successfully. So to know whether the contact was deleted successfully, we have to go back here and execute again, try getting all contacts, we'll see whether it has gone. And as you can see right here, it shows that all the contacts are there except that one that we deleted using its ID. So that's all the points. Thank you. That's all for now.